Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA ka jirang uba sastana sotun ubadeiru menteri sarkar ka jilla ha ka khat pratrik jong ulber aja phunrio ula shong ya ka jingalang perkhat kam bat ki BDO jong ka jirang bat ka umling CNRD block banya theria tai kumno ban pinstan yekila jingaram na ka banta kilanon kibala shakta ha ka jingsalat ka eryong Hakani ka jingalang la shim benta da BDO ka jirang u Dr. Hajong bat ka BDO ka umling CNRD block ka Ayushi Pradhan ka bala pentip hakmat jong MLA Shaphang ka jingyo lum jingkhen hakabaya dei ba ki jingjulor jong ki yeng ki sam ba ki jingthong ki jingtem
For today, sir, we started already in our villages. Also, accordingly, I will manage to people so that I'll be sending to your office. When I think the best thing is that you can get the sheet and reach tomorrow morning and tomorrow morning itself. So you confirm that you will reach there for the office so that you can get this meeting starting with the recent storm as the whole of Chansi, which has partly affected. So I just want to get the report of from ruling block and then from Jirang block, because from district I'll be getting from the deputy commissioner. So for other consultancies I'll be getting from deputy commissioner, but particularly for when it has to areas where it is your jurisdiction of the office of BDO ruling block for Jirang consultancy and then our Jirang block BDO. So that we can plan accordingly. So because we have seen so many households being damaged, and then not only my personal household, and then we have seen many schools being affected, and then the PHCs, CHCs, we have seen that most of them have been dislocated and then affected. So I want to get the clear report of that, so that we can think, and then I want to know also from you how far you have gone ahead with the with regards to the relief for all those people who have been affected. Because in recent cabinet meeting, so we had a discussion with all CM that they have already instructed all the deputy commissioners to do the needful for the people who will be affected, because this is the time for the rainy season, and then the time where hailstorms and the strong wind may occur. So as effects already happen, unfortunately. So I want to get the Jirang point. First, we have to talk about the overall, because we are looking for the overall, and then you specify about the Jirang consultancy.
So, as per the Union of report which we have received from the Indian block, more than 50 villages have been affected. So, around 48 is the initial figure that we have received. Regarding the household which have to which we are supplying ration, the number we have received is 432. So, to 432 households, we will be providing ration and blankets. And also CGI sheet, we have received around 278 households have requested for CGI sheet, so that their use can be repaired. Coming to the Jirang constituency, we have received from two areas. One is Margong and second one is Banihal. So from Margong, the upper Margong village, there are two households which have been affected, and there is Panitola where one household is affected. From Banihal, we have Upper Bakan and 18 Mile. In Upper Bakan, 3 households are affected, and in 18 Mile there is one household which is affected. So yesterday, coming to the relief, the Gram Sevikas, they had personally in the first half they had went to all the villages they had inspected. Personally, I went to 2-3 villages from in the Nongpur, Undo village. So what the Gram Sevikas were asked to inspect is they had to find out that from each and every household and from the headmen, so they asked that do they require immediate support in terms of ration, blanket and CGI sheets. These were the three parameters on which a survey was done, that how many households are requiring CGI sheet, how many households are requiring ration, how many households are requiring blanket. So once we received the preliminary report, we forwarded to the DCO office. So from the relief and the DDMA, so we have yesterday only we received the support for ration. For blanket, most probably today morning we will be receiving. And for CGI sheet, as far as I know, that DC sir is working with DDMA for finalizing the vendor, so that the CGI sheet can also be provided immediately to all the households which are affected. Regarding the needful, we have already distributed ration yesterday to around 15 to 20 households, and today morning also the team.
Review meeting every day, but Jinja every day cyclone kerajaan sini ini renang dari dalam IUC dari IS buat video charge untuk blog langkai perhajong dari video juga jirang blog angka bagi staff kita dalam report dengan kalian dengar kumulong nikmat kumulong dapat di Sofia kalau dah Jinja lawan bani shop segi Longyeng dengan ladon ka laju menen hi wilayah don ketinya kontak nam ta no ban ID field staff nam ta vision ka assessment everyday bagi abide Jinja kan minyo ek exact report kini Longyeng kepala jur ke Jinjulor ka Yang bagi negeri Jinja di school lagi di PHC, CHC ketua report pun di affected families lain lagi Longyeng Kelasakta juga tam-tam hari kita area juga Jirang blok lajur hak nanti yang juga kau di meeting mentah lang dari bukti punya exact ya yo kita report yang nang ba ngila ban ai ki jingarap lampai di Longyeng di lachimbu ikarai ba kita sipin ka di kuno lang ketumi layo ke report ba ketua office yang di video bor umling ba Jirang blok dan yang cuma lain ai ka assurance sampai juki bagi serta IPCDC itu sudah Jirang blok yang tadi beneficiaries kepada jangka umling blok di Algede berkini area kepada konsumsi ketuni Jirang konsumsi di Madam Bushi serta English nambah di Ocean laka office rekam ketuni nambah di Longyeng baru tiba Dayhok Banjo beliau ya ka Jingarap hantam pulau kita Jinja juga di shop kita Eryong nak hati yang bisa kita kita dulu di JA ada di school ada di health centers di CCC dengan apa ya kelak ya report kenal bah nak minta jadi okay kebanyakan orang penyerap di hantam di school ini di Kelasakta ini ya Jingarap atau kepada di blanket kucing agi immediate relief nam tajuki nak kalian ka office yung deputy commissioner la Cynthia atau kalian dan lo kata allotment nak kita tu begin pai ke Jingarap kita tajuki tengah kop no baru iki depo atli ki office kantam bedai dia bagi district ke buat away ba ye ki office baru ini Cynthia kantam di Gopor ka Jinja juga Jingwal shop kemarin dengan kawan hab uslap hab dia angka dengan kawan ka Eryong kabangim mak bantip lalu kawan lalu baca tinggi laku upai ke alert sekirang wasnong segi seborok dengan lam snong bakin long usiar bat hamtam itu di snong lagi badan lagi double hole di babiang nang bakin la ban pungke lupa yo kami kan ko ke Jinja ke sosi Flang ba ini yo kan ai ke immediate relief bila menyerap ke gunung di Longyeng Kelasakta.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.
Skoda.